To take a straw poll and ask people what they think of October's weather so far. Mild, really. Now, over the next few days, it's going to be quite showery. It is mild, but just take a look at this stunning rainbow photo. And if you get caught in the showers, they do mean business. This was Bournemouth earlier on, I suspect. If you can just see it, that's a crazy golf course down there. I don't think there's going to be much crazy golf this afternoon. The showers across England and Wales, pretty hit and miss, but most frequent ones, certainly up into Western Scotland, a real cluster being driven in. So some blustery winds here, gusts in excess of 30 miles an hour. So for the rest of the afternoon, we keep the risk of plenty of showers here. For Northern Ireland, England and Wales, sunny spells and scattered showers. So if you do dodge the showers, it'll be quite pleasant. And one of the reasons is, once again, it's quite mild for the time of year. We're likely to see temperatures peaking at around 16 or 17 degrees. It's already 16 degrees in parts of southern England. Now, through this evening, though, we'll keep some clearer skies across eastern England, so temperatures could fall away. However, out to the west, another area of low pressure moving in. Just look at those isobars squeezing together. The winds will strengthen, the rain will turn quite heavy. So yes, it will start off on a chilly note across the east, but wet and windy further west. That rain really will mean business, pushing in across Western Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northwest England and North Wales to begin with. It will then drift its way steadily north and east into Scotland through the afternoon, with gusts of winds of around 50 miles an hour on exposed coast. Now, across England and Wales elsewhere, it's a bright and breezy affair, perhaps a little more cloud generally with that southwesterly wind, but the temperatures still pretty good for this time of year. We're likely to see highs of around 17 or 18 degrees as we go into Tuesday. That front, still up into the north, will gradually drift its way south out of Scotland into the north of England by the middle part of the week. So for areas like the Lake District, parts of Lancashire, we really could see some heavy rain and some significant totals starting to develop. But that front, really the dividing line between that very warm, moist air pushing up from the south. So by the middle part of the week, that's when we're likely to see the highest of the temperatures. So a bit of a contrast, really. Sunshine and warmth down to the south, our weather fronts sitting across northern England and parts of North Wales, but maybe a little bit brighter into the far north of Scotland. This mild theme will continue for another day at least, but it does look likely that we'll continue to see some heavy rain at times further north and west, and then just that little bit fresher, but turning a little bit more showery, a bit more unsettled towards the end of the week. Ben.